PDVisualPrints. Amy Harrop's PDVisualPrints. PDVisualPrints turn a goldmine of free content into in-demand products and multiple income streams. Grab easy sales with free content in this massively profitable market of over 45 million buyers, all with little or no original content. Reach eager buyers in multiple niches fast. PDVisualPrints reveals how to create multiple streams of income with freely available and public domain content, little to no writing needed. I reveal how anyone can quickly and easily tap into the mountain of free public domain and vintage content and transform into in-demand content that sells on multiple platforms. People love vintage and vintage-style content. Below are just a few visual products made with public domain and vintage-style content that are highly in demand. These are easy to create and require little to no writing. PDVisualPrints includes everything your subscribers need to start making sales fast. I share popular niches and easy-to-create in-demand products. All from free and public domain content. PDVisualPrints. PDVisualPrints reveals how to create multiple streams of income with freely available and public domain content, little to no writing needed. Amy reveals how anyone can quickly and easily tap into the mountain of free public domain and vintage content and transform into in-demand content that sells on multiple platforms. You will get the in-depth PDVisualPrints PDF guide, easy quick start step-by-step checklists, over-the-shoulder video training, 100 visual print-ready images in 10 hot categories, bonuses and more. And here's just a sample of what you'll discover: why these niches are hugely popular and will never go out of style. Page 11 to 12. How to easily avoid these keyword mistakes and get tons of organic traffic. Page 16 to 17. Popular stores making tons of sales with public domain content revealed. Page 28 to 30. The best places to find free print-ready content fast. Page 40. How to quickly make your free content unique and in demand. These changes are fast, and simply by clicking a few buttons you have added value and sellable content. Page 81. Quickly decide what sells easily as a digital download. Page 70. Make your product stand out with these easy listing options. These two options will grab you more sales without producing more content. Page 90. Tagging hacks. Do this the right way and grab massive traffic fast. Page 97. And much more. Upgrade offers. Odos. PDVisualPrints front-end offer comprehensive training guide plus checklists, videos, print-ready images, and more. PDVisual Quick Start. Odo number 1. More images that sell. In-depth video training on selling prints and pod content, and more. PDVisual Quotes Pack. Odo number 2. Massive pack of graphic image quotes for commercial use. PD Goldmine Bundle. Odo number 3. Easy-to-use software with all of the public domain resources you could ever need. PDVisualPrints. Amy Harrop's PDVisualPrints.